Are you seeing what I'm seeing?
If you don't say this is sexy, you're lying.
What's up, YouTube?
What's up? Today we're gonna be getting a new Hellcat Redeye hood
For our Dodge Charger.
Yes, our 2016 Dodge Charger. It be getting a little hot underneath the hood, so we need to like let some of that air out, and it'll just look nice because it's 2016.
It's gonna look so much better, and we have some plans because like ours is, it has like a little stripe down the middle. I don't really like that. I mean, it's old. We'll get the Redeye hood on there. We'll do something cool with it. Something a little different too. So I'm super excited.
Yeah, I can't wait for y'all to see it because we have like this whole series planned. First, we gotta go get the hood.
Yes.
And then, you know, y'all will see the next videos on what we're doing to the hood itself.
Yeah, we're gonna try to paint it ourselves. So we'll see how that goes in our garage.
Yeah. And then wrap it.
And then wrap it eventually, yeah. First step, we need to go just hop in the truck, load everything up because we have the baby, and then go check out the hood.
Yep, we'll just go pick it up.
I forgot to show you what it's looking like, but right here, it does come with the vents as well. So we're gonna go check it out, see what's up. What's up? So it's the next day. We're about to unbox this hood and see what we got.
Yes.
I'm super excited. It was raining the other day, so we really didn't have a chance to work on it or nothing. Looks like it might rain today, but we're okay.
We're gonna try and do as best as we can.
Right.
Ooh, nice. Yo!
This is a Dodge Charger Hellcat Redeye hood.
Yes, it looks so fire. I'm so happy with it.
Look at these big heat extractors right here. Big middle hood scoop. Like, come on, come here. Come here.
And it's like good quality. It's not that cheap stuff, you know?
Thanks.
And it came with the vents, and guess how much we got it for?
Tell them.
$500. Sheesh. Cheap. Normally these go for like $1,000. That's what we were seeing online. And so 500 with the vents, come on.
Right, because you could find like a regular one for maybe like one like we have for like 500 or 600, but a Hellcat Redeye, nah.
Like 1,000.
Let's get started.
Yes.
Are you seeing what I'm seeing?
If you don't say this is sexy, you're lying.
I can't wait to like, cause you know it already looks aggressive in the like if you're in front and you're looking at it from the rear view mirror. Imagine what this is gonna look like.
Ooh.
I'm ready.
Yes, me too. Gab? Gabbana? Hellcat? Why you scared, bud? Hellcat? Huh? Okay, so we just finished sanding it. Now we're just gonna give it like a little bath, you know?
Yeah, I gotta get all that old
Dirt.
painted stuff off before it dries up.
Yeah, all that stuff we just sanded. But yeah, so we're gonna give it a bath. Our little system from when we were sanding was we each did it on one side and then we switched with the same grit so that we could have like a even smooth. It wasn't like just half of it looks one way, half of it looks the other. But if you have one person, I mean, just do the best you can. Luckily, we have 2 people.
Alright, so it's the next day here.
Yes. This is what we got. This is what it looks like after we're done sanding it and everything.
Might have to do it with another wax and grease remover because there's some stuff on it just to make sure the paint job comes out good.
But yeah, so we did the P400, P600, P800, and make sure you keep it wet because it'll like make the sandpaper last longer, give you a good even smooth. But other than that, thank you guys for watching, and we see y'all in the next episode where we actually start painting.
Yes, I'm super excited because this is what it looks like now. And then imagine with this thing on it.
Oh, it's gonna look so good. I can't wait.
Can't wait. We do need